Welcome to this brief overview tour of the TownePlace Suites Chattanooga South Ridge. This hotel is a Marriott Bonvoy family property, and my family and I cashed in some points to spend one night there. We were on a road trip passing through Chattanooga. There was this beautiful lobby and breakfast area. It does come with a complimentary breakfast, which was amazing for all three of us to be able to eat for free in the morning. My daughter loved making her own waffle. There's also a great fitness facility, so you can get in a quick workout while you're on the road. It was clean and well stocked. There was also an outdoor pool, although it was a little too cold for us to enjoy on our trip. We stayed in room 320, which is a standard double queen room, and we found this room to be really comfortable. The bathroom was spacious. There were plenty of towels. It was nice and clean and included everything you need, like shampoo, conditioner, a hair dryer. Right outside the bathroom is this amazing kitchenette. We didn't really get to enjoy this to the fullest because we were only there one night, but as you can see, there's pots and pans, dishwasher, cooktop, toaster, microwave, coffee maker, everything you could need in a kitchen. This closet was also well organized with drawers and hangers, even a mirror, so you could absolutely unpack and really be well organized for your whole stay. The beds were comfortable, and there were charge ports on both ends as well as in the middle, so we were able to charge all of our devices while we were there. There's also this really lovely workspace and a comfy chair and TV. A great room all in all. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment.